Hey YouTube, so today we're going to taste test these cucumbers that are on the table here. I harvested them early this morning, and we've got the Space Master there, we've got the Calypso here, and then we've got the Shimshon cucumber right here. So we're going to taste test these, we're going to give you our honest opinion, but first let me show you me harvesting them. Take a look. So this is the Calypso cucumber, and down here, we've got one. I know for a fact I probably let it get too big. So I'm gonna get this one. This one actually had a lot of spikes on them, but not so much now. But they had a lot of spikes. So, but this is for sure ready. Calypso. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this cucumber here. I think this is either a Space Master or a B Alpha. I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Over here are where I planted the Shimshon cucumbers. They're doing really well. That one there I know for sure is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that one. There we go. Baker Creek's Shimshon cucumber. And here's another. I'm gonna go ahead and take this too. And the Shimshon cucumbers, they don't get that big. So, well, at least it's not supposed to. But there's another. There is one way down here on the T-post. And that is a Shimshon cucumber from Baker Creek. I'm gonna grab that one. So another one. Over here is another Shimshon cucumber. I'm gonna go ahead and take that too. So far, this is what I have. So these are the Shimshon cucumbers. Got 4 of those, really good size. This one is either a B Alpha or a Space Master. I'm gonna say Space Master. And then this one is the Calypso cucumber. So here is the golden zucchini, also from Baker Creek. I probably let it get too big, but I think it'll be good still. Some people have them bigger than that. So let's harvest it. And here it is, the golden zucchini, Baker Creek. It's pretty big. What's crazy is, out of all these plants, that's the only zucchini squash that I got so far. So maybe after that big one was cut, everything will start producing like it should. So all right, so now we're gonna taste test these and we're gonna see how they taste. I did eat one earlier today. I won't say which one I ate yet, but I really did enjoy it. So let's start first with the Space Master. Here we go, Space Master. Good crunch.
That's a cucumber.
So it's good, right?
It's good.
What you think?
I think it's good. It's just like a cucumber you would buy from the store. But better, because you grew it.
I think it tastes better. But, okay. That one does taste a little more like a one that you bought from
the store.
the store.
But I would say it's easier to chew than the one you get from the store because there's no wax on it. Good point.
That's a good point. So next, let's try the Calypso cucumber. Now this is a pickling cucumber. I do think I let it stay on the vine just a little too long, just by looking at the color here, but it still should be quite good. So let's go ahead and try this one. Oh, this is a big slice. Don't cut this one. Okay, so Calypso cucumber. So, you wanna go first? So, right off the bat, this is pretty juicy. I didn't think it was going to be because I thought I left it on the vine too long out there, but it's pretty juicy. What do you think?
I think it's juicy. Definitely a little different taste than this one. This one you can definitely tell it's like for pickling, like if you eat a pickle, it definitely tastes kind of like a pickle, but without like the vinegar and stuff. It's good, you know. It was juicier than the what's that one?
Space Master.
It was juicier than the Space Master. Now I thought that the Calypso was going to be a little bitter because you know it's a pickling cucumber dinner, but it was actually good.
Okay. Well, so right now, what do you rate the Space Master?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it about a 10.
A 10? Space Master, what do you think?
I'll give it a 10.
I give the Space Master probably about a 8. The flavor to me, it was pretty basic, but it was still good.
It was tasting what I know. So, yeah.
And what about Calypso?
Calypso, I would give it about a 7, only because it's a little tougher around the skin. And
I think that's because I left it on the vine too long.
Yeah, and I'll give it like a 7.5. It's good, but definitely I would like to try it pickled.
I think it would be really good pickled. I give this a 10. Only because it was juicy. The Space Master wasn't as juicy. This one was pretty darn juicy, and it was really good. Next, let's go to my favorite, the Shimshon. So full disclaimer, I tasted and ate a whole cucumber today from the Shimshon cucumber that I harvested. It was really good. So I already know how this tastes, but let's see how they like it. So let's go ahead. Shimshon. So, I never knew what people meant by a cucumber being sweet. This one has a slight sweetness to it, but its flavor is really good. And I think right off the bat, this is just me, I give the Shimshon cucumber a 10.
I'll give this a 10 as well. It does have a little hint of sweetness. Me personally, I'm not all for the sweetness, but it does have a hint of sweetness, and I'll give it a 10 because it is super refreshing and it's different and it does taste like a cucumber. So
for that one, I also give it a 10. It was very juicy, softer to chew. I feel like that one will be a good spa day for your eyes when you put it in the freezer. For us ladies.
I feel like this one would. It kind of get that big spa looking one. I don't know.
They probably are. Yeah.
Well, right off the bat, I think hands down, this wins. The rest of these are really good and I will eat them. But the Shimshon cucumber right here, it will forever have a place in my garden. It's really good. It almost has like a nutty flavor to it. I don't know if you picked that up, but.
Not nutty, but it almost had like even though it was sweet, it almost, to me, had like a little bit of saltiness in there. I don't know.
It's got flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's the taste test for these cucumbers. Maybe we could put a little seasoning on them and then taste them too.
I think they will all be great with a little salt and pepper.
We didn't have salt and pepper on the table today, but I can grab a few seasonings. I'll be right back. So we're gonna put some of this seasoning on the cucumbers and then we're gonna see how we like it with the seasoning. This is Tony's here. This is not a sponsor, but this is Tony's seasoning. And we're gonna put some of this on there and we're gonna let you know how we like it. Cheers. Space Master.
That was good too.
So it's good. The Space Master has more of a crunch.
Yeah.
Really good for snacking. I mean, well, all these are good for snacking, but the Space Master, if you want something that's gonna give you that crunch factor, I feel like the Space Master is really good.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Like you can eat that instead of eating a bag of chips with your sandwich or something. Yeah. That'd be a good one.
This one is juicy.
Mm-hmm.
I think this one is, the Calypso cucumber is more juicier than the Shimshon, to me.
That one is juicy.
The Calypso, it is good. Hands down, that's a good cucumber right there.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. But if we had vinegar with us today, we don't have any. If these were, if we added some vinegar to these, I think they would have been spot on. All three of them. 10 plus. So that's the taste test for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and thank you for always watching. And until the next video, peace.
Oh, yeah.